Meanwhile, Meat Director for the recent Pure Water R. Danny Williams JC Development Meet, Ian Forbes, says Jamaica College stands ready to assist others in hosting meets at the Ashenheim Stadium, located on the school's grounds. Meet organizers have expressed uncertainty about venues to host local meets in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, as well as the impending closure of the GC Foster College track for repair work. Forbes, who is also first vice president of the local governing body, the J3As, says they are anticipating requests for use of the venue.
Be asked to step up and host more events here, and we are quite willing to do so. We are blessed, we are very fortunate to have a facility like this through the benevolence of the Ashenheim family and of course a number of other stakeholders who would have worked very hard to make this happen. So we do not take it for granted. We are really privileged and we are very blessed to have a facility of this nature. And of course it's not just for us, we share as well. We partner with other stakeholders, some who might not be as fortunate to have facility of this type. So that is our mission, and things have worked well thus far.